in the brand new Tahlequah Wellness Center. This has something for everyone. This facility is amazing. The people in it are even more amazing. Has everything from yoga to spin to golf simulators to batting cages, classes, cooking classes, smoking cessation classes. Anything that you might want to do, you will find it in here. Great senior fitness classes, youth classes, pickleball, everything that you can imagine, we have it here, all for the wellness of our citizens. If you are a Cherokee citizen or a Cherokee Nation employee, you and your family, your immediate family, all come for free. If you are a non-Cherokee citizen, you can come individually for $20 a month or family for $30 a month. This project's been a long time in the coming. It was announced a few years ago at State of the Nation. I believe we broke ground a little over 2 years ago on this project. It is 75,000 square feet, a place for people to exercise, to come together, to heal.
Well, I've actually been driving back and forth to Stillwell, and absolutely going to stop that and come here. And actually my workout at my age is just trying to stay firm. There's so much more here. I mean, as you went through here, you've even seen the boxing facilities and not only just weight training, but one thing that we have here that others don't, and that's a sauna. The other thing that's really unique here is that we have a gym. As we're standing in the gym, that's open to a lot of people to come in and play ball whenever they want.
This is a $30 million investment. Part of it came from the American Rescue Plan Act, but significantly part of it came from our own Public Health and Wellness Fund Act, which is how we're going to build and sustain more of these across the reservation. But this is really our flagship site. We already have 12,500 members at our existing site called Markoma here in Tahlequah, and people are lined up today to sign up, so we can expect that number to go up. But we have the capacity here really to take care of and provide a wellness space for just about any age range.